everyone, I am Crystal Gilasaka and my report, it's all about strength. So what is strength? Strength, it's the quality or state of physically strong. Personal strength are the unique and the qualities that are inherent to you. So for example, kani nga picture. So yung nakitaan nga picture, di ba? As you can see, ay guy nag-alsa og bato. He uses his strength para maalsa niya ang bato. Iyang kusog na maalsa niya para dili siya matagakan or naunsa ba ni, like dili siya mahulugan. So there are three types of strength. First, we have the static. Second, we have the dynamic. And third is we have explosive strength. So when we say static, it's the ability to hold position against resistance or any movement. So for example, anak nila is katong mga quadriceps, triceps, biceps. So these are the examples na basic lang. So we have the dynamic strength. So when we say dynamic strength, is the ability to move a weight or resistance through a range of motion. Sige, for example, ako gusto na po na ako nga lahi na po ang position sa ako ang boarding house, like ang setup. So gitulak na ko ang aparador para dirian na po siya sa pikas, like ning ana siya, like kanang gikan na siya dito tapos na ay movement, so motion. So these are the example of dynamic strength. Exclusive strength, when we say exclusive strength, is kanang more power. So for example, ana katon step ups, 30-second jump squats. Measuring strength, these are the various tests for measuring static, explosive, and dynamic strength. A handle grip dynamometer for scale strength in forearm. A standing long jump test, explosive strength. So we already tackle about it and we already know how to get the measure of it.